Hey guys, and welcome back to one of my delicious cooking recipes. Today I made a sweet potato chocolate ball. Super easy ingredients. I love recreating treats with less crap than you find in a processed protein bar, let's just say. Sweet potatoes are a great carb, and then I added in some protein and some healthy fats like sun butter, and just a little bit of unsweetened cocoa to make it extremely chocolatey. This delicious treat can be used before you work out, after you work out, a midday snack, or if you're just feeling that chocolate urge, which I do almost every single day. I put them in the oven at 350 degrees for 10 minutes. I let them cool for 5 minutes, and I'm so excited to try one. Smells like a little piece of heaven. They kind of look like little brownies, so I think I'm gonna call them little brownie balls. Oh my God. Wow. So good. I'm telling you, they taste like a brownie. I could probably make this bigger with more sweet potatoes in a little pan and make them into brownies. I definitely think you should try this at home, especially if you love chocolate as much as I do, and let me know what you think. Of course, you can substitute some butter for peanut butter, cashew butter, whatever nut butter you like. Just double or triple the ingredients to make it into a bigger batch. Thanks for watching another one of my videos. Please let me know in the comments down below if there's any recipe that you'd like me to recreate. And I'll see you guys soon. Have a great day.